Hey there, costume enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special lined up, especially for the little heroes in your life. We're diving into the world of imaginative play with the best kid Halloween costume for boys available in the market: the Joycover police officer costume for kids. Now, if you're looking to elevate your child's Halloween or dress-up experience, look no further than this deluxe police costume set. Let's unpack why this costume stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about what you get in this all-in-one package. This costume is a complete ensemble, including a police shirt, pants, hat, tie, belt, holster, police card, and even a police body-worn camera and walkie-talkie. Talk about gearing up for some serious crime-fighting action. Made from 100% polyester, this costume is not only comfortable but also durable, ensuring hours of playtime fun. The adjustable waistband adds to the comfort factor, allowing your little officer to move freely while on duty. But the fun doesn't stop there. Picture this: your child suiting up in their police attire, adjusting their belt, and donning their police hat. With realistic details like a body-worn camera that emits light and sound. Your little one will feel like they've stepped right into the shoes of a real-life hero. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or just a regular day of imaginative play, this costume is perfect for a variety of occasions. From costume contests to school shows and themed parties, your child will steal the show in this authentic police attire. Now, before you rush off to grab this must-have costume, remember to check the size chart to ensure the perfect fit for your little crime fighter. With sizes available for kids aged 3 to 10, there's a size for every aspiring officer. And there you have it, folks. The Joycover police officer costume for kids is a surefire way to ignite your child's imagination and bring their heroic dreams to life. Don't miss out on this fantastic costume that promises endless hours of fun and adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. See you in the next one.